Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Grilling season is just around the corner, and today I want to share with you guys the most delicious grilled chicken recipe that you will be having all season long. I'll be making my chimichurri chicken. It is absolutely incredible. It's packed with so much flavor, and you can even enjoy it year-round. You can also bake it in the oven if you don't have a grill outside. Let me show you how to make this incredible dish. And what I love about this recipe is I can have my chicken marinated and in the refrigerator in like 5 minutes. I'm just going to toss all these incredible ingredients into my food processor and then pour it over the chicken. Today I'll be using chicken drumsticks. You can also use chicken thighs for this recipe. First up, I have my herbs. I have a small little bunch of Italian parsley. I'm going to drop that into my food processor. A little bundle of fresh cilantro and some fresh dill. Next, add in 1 small shallot, 4 garlic cloves, 1 jalapeno pepper, and you can either remove the seeds or leave them in if you want your sauce to be a little spicier, and 1 red bell pepper. And pulse this for about 30 seconds until the ingredients are finely chopped. And over here I have some more of my marinated ingredients. I've measured out 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of sea salt. I'm going to add a very small little sprinkle, about 1/8 teaspoon of ground cumin. The same with some ground coriander. And I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix that all together and then pour this mixture into the food processor, and I'm going to pulse this just for a few seconds to get that all combined. And before I use all of my chimichurri style sauce for my chicken, I'm actually going to reserve about 1.5 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons, and place that into 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Also going to add a few tablespoons of olive oil, and this is going to make the most incredible dipping sauce for the grilled chicken. Season that with just a touch of salt to taste, and that's it. I'm going to place the sauce into the refrigerator and then serve it with the grilled chicken. For today's recipe, I'll be using 3 pounds of chicken drumsticks. You can also use chicken thighs or even bone-in chicken breast. Any of those will taste absolutely phenomenal. So I'm going to pour my marinade over the chicken, and then I'm going to place the chicken into the refrigerator and let it marinate for a minimum of 4 hours. If you have the time, make this a day before and allow it to marinate for 24 hours. That's gonna give your chicken the most flavor. Pour that sauce right on top. Let me tell you guys, this sauce is so aromatic. All those herbs and then the garlic and then the peppers, absolutely phenomenal. And then you use your hands to really massage that sauce into the chicken, coating every single part of it. I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and place it into the refrigerator. I'm heading outdoors and I have my grill preheated over medium heat. It's about 475 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to place my chicken onto the hot grill and grill each side for about 7 to 8 minutes, turning halfway through. And I also love to add extra chimichurri sauce on top of the chicken while it's cooking. After 15 to 16 minutes, I'm going to transfer my chicken to the second rack in my grill. And I'm going to let the chicken cook with the indirect heat for another 15 to 16 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it for my grilled chimichurri chicken. It is absolutely aromatic. I cannot wait to dig in and enjoy this. When I'm making this at home, I'll typically serve it with a side of my loaded bacon and cheddar potatoes, as well as my kale pomegranate salad, and the combination of all 3 of these is just phenomenal. I'll put this recipe along with the potato and the kale salad down in the video description box below. Meanwhile, I'm going to dig in and enjoy this chicken. It looks so delicious and it's so juicy. I also have my dipping sauce here. Okay, seriously, this chicken is phenomenal. The flavors here are simply mind-blowing. Every single bite is packed with so much incredible flavor from the chimichurri sauce, and this chicken is just incredibly juicy. love that flavor of the garlic and the herbs and a little bit of that kick from the jalapeno pepper, you guys are going to be loving this grilled chicken recipe all summer long. Don't forget to head down into my video description box where you can find a link for this recipe, print it off, and of course share it with your family and friends. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you next time.